Hello everyone! We are here today to talk about some activities that you can do on Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist is a very famous novel by Charles Dickens, a British writer. The activities that you can do are these one listed here. Activity number 1, you can read the book, and the book starts on slide 5. Activity number 2, you can watch the video, which is on slide number 36. So, of course, you can do both activity number 1 and number 2. But if you are not a very passionate reader, you might just watch the video in activity 2 and do the following activities. Activity number 3, it's about characters that are in the novel. What character do you like the most and why? Or which one do you like the least and why? When you decided on your characters, you go to this link, and according to your class, you write your description next to your number. Then you go back and go to activity number 4, comments and opinions. And again, you have another dock here. You click here and you give us your comment or your opinion. Did you like the story? What was interesting about this story? Is there something strange that you found in this story? Again, you comment and leave your opinion where your class is and next to your number. The last activity, it's a kind of contest, it's a challenge. You add a chapter. So let's pretend that Dickens has written, or better, had written another chapter, but nobody ever found it. But some days ago, some researchers found it, and what was it there in this chapter? You write it, and again, you look for your class, look for your number, and add a chapter here. So, when you finish this, we will have a contest. Which is the best chapter to end the story?